Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're making the peanut brittle. This is a very sweet snack. I must warn you, it's very sweet. So let's make it. So in a fry pan, you pour in 1 cup. Well, I'm just using 1 cup for today. You can make more or you can make less. You pour 1 cup into a fry pan and roast the peanuts a little bit more. This is just to make it a little more harder. Now in another pan, you pour in another cup of sugar. I'm using white sugar today, but if you have brown sugar, you can also use brown sugar. Now you put it on the pan and heat it up on medium heat until it caramelizes. That is, it turns to brown color. Please don't use very high heat for this. Now you add a tablespoon of butter. This is optional. Some people add vanilla or whatever it is. Some people add salt. But I prefer to use butter for this. So you mix it up properly until the whole butter dissolves into the sugar and it's just like a plain brown color. Okay? Have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not, kindly go and subscribe. Okay? Good. So you keep on mixing until it has turned to this kind of deep brown color. Okay? Please make sure you use a medium heat for this. Then you introduce your roasted peanuts into this sugar and butter mixture. Now you turn it, you make sure the peanut is properly coated with the sugar and butter. You then transfer it to parchment paper. Please note that I sprayed some oil on the parchment paper just to make sure this peanut does not stick to the parchment paper. You can also use like a metal flat plate for this if you don't have parchment paper. You now use a ladle or whatever you have. You try to flatten the peanut and the sugar mixture. You just try to make it flat because you're going to let it cool down. So you try to make it as flat as possible, so it can cool easily and it's not too thick. Just make it very, very flat on the parchment paper. Now after flattening it, you then let it cool for some time. It depends on the quantity you're making, but it takes a little while to cool, and voila, your peanut brittles are ready. Wow, it was so hard for me to cut through this. It was so hard. I will show you another method of doing this in another video, but this is just how you make your peanut brittles. So after this, you cut it to your desired size. If you see, I was just cutting it. I was even cutting on its own, but well, it's for consumption. So we're going to enjoy this sweet tooth snack, my kids and I. So I hope you try out this recipe and you let me know in the comment section how it tasted. Did it come out well, as I described? Okay, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I hope you enjoy your peanut brittle. So try it out and let me know what you think. Bye. See you in my next video.